Okay, welcome to our demonstration video for this agency website. Our intention in this video is to really give you a quick tour of what it's like to use this website as a customer, how easy it is to find things and subscribe and make an inquiry. So you go to search our acts page. Here we can see a list of acts that have been added to this website. We can filter this list of acts by gender, sexuality or services provided. So if we look at male first of all and hit apply, we can see it's quite quick to generate the page for us. Here we can see a list of all of our male acts. If we click on a picture of a male act, we can click to see a bigger photo of age and Doughty and read a little bit more about them. If we click that, opens up in a little pop-up box and we can see a little brief about each act, some details and a photo of them. We can also flick through the acts on the search and look through like this. And you probably notice how quick it is to flick through them all. So that's that. If we want to read more details about any given act, we can click on one of the links provided and go through to their main page. From their main page we can look through all the photos that we have of them, and if we click one of these photos it goes full screen, full size, and then we can flick through it as well. We also notice that on these pictures that watermark on them. The reason for putting a watermark on our images is basically to protect them from theft. Obviously if someone comes along and takes one of the pictures of our site and then goes and puts it on their website with a watermark, they're effectively advertising your company on their website, so it's not a bad thing if they then take the pictures. If not, it's certainly a good deterrent. So that's the main page for an act. We can click this and look at their specifics, read a bit more about them. We can share their page on Facebook, which is a good way of generating links into your site. And then here we can see some different tags, which is the second way of searching for acts on this website. So if we were to click on, say, stripper, click on a stripper, then we can see we can also refine the results by the different tags. So we could say we just want to see female strippers. And then again we can click to see a bigger picture, or we can click to go into their main page where we can see a big photo, etc, etc. So that's basically how easy it is to find acts on the website. So if we go through to one of these acts and make an inquiry, let's go to Danny Blue. Again we can see all the details. One other thing to mention on each of the acts page is this little box down here. So people that viewed this act also viewed. What this is actually doing is it's looking at the history of all the different people that have been to the site, and it starts to work out relationships between the different acts on your site. So effectively the more people that use the website and the more acts that you put onto it, the more accurate this box is going to become. So it's another really good way of getting customers to look at all your different acts. So once we've found an act that we're interested in this, then we can inquire about an act by filling in this form. So once we've filled the form in with some details, we can hit the submit button. And that's it. The inquiry will go through to the site. So thank you for your inquiry. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alternatively, call us on the telephone number. And we can see down here that inquiry has come straight through. So it's all pretty instant. Over and above making an inquiry about an act, we can see here on the left, keep updated. When you register or log in, you can choose to be updated when we add acts that match your search. So to demonstrate creating a new account, you just click register or log in. If you're an existing user of the site, then you can just sign in pretty simply. Or in our case, we're going to create a new account. So create a new account. We just fill out this form. Okay, once we've filled the form out, then we just need to go down here and complete the captcha. This is a really important feature of the site because it prevents automated spam and fake user accounts being created. So JPIEM, and then just create new account. Fantastic, so registration is successful, you're now logged in. So if we go back to the Search RX page, search again for male comedian, hit apply. We can see some instructions here of how to use the subscription, but basically search for what you're interested in, save your search with a suitable name using the form provided, and then you subscribe to it using the link provided. So male comedian, save this search, and then we see the subscribe link, so we just subscribe to male comedian. We can say how often we want to be notified, so let's just say weekly. That's not optional, so, and then just hit subscribe. Now, having done that, every time a new male comedian is added to the site, they will receive an automatic email showing them the act. So I'm just going to quickly show you what one of these emails looks like. So we go to my email, save search female strippers has new acts. This was a different subscription, and we can see here, greetings, there are new items for your search female strippers, and we can see a picture of the act and their name. This links straight back to the website so they can look at the full page. And also another thing that's important to mention here is the footer. So this is an automatic message from the agency demo. To manage your subscriptions, browse to this, and that would require signing in, or without signing in they can unsubscribe here. So if we click that link, get taken to this page, no need to sign in, just click the unsubscribe link, and that is it. Your subscription has been removed. So it's a really nice experience for the customers, and I think these subscriptions will suit, you know, comedy clubs or strip clubs, all this kind of thing, if that's the kind of agency you are. And that is it from a customer's point of view. That's how you use the site. Alright, I'll see you in the second part, where I'll show you how to use the site as a site editor or the owner of the website. Speak to you soon. Bye.